Yes, I am introvert. No, I am not shy. I am not stuck up. No, I am not antisocial. I am just listening. I am just observing. I can't stand small talk. But I will talk about life for hours. I had rather be home with a close friend or two than among a crowd of acquaintances. Don't scold me in public. Don't embarrass me in public. Respect that I am reserved. And if I open myself up to you, know that means you are very special.